Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. If you don't have VirtualBox, we'll be installing VirtualBox first. Open up your browser and you type in VirtualBox. You click on the first link. You click the download button at the top and you come down and you select Windows host since we are installing it on a Windows system. We need to also download Kali Linux, so we go to kali.org, press enter. You click on the big download button. I'll be showing you guys how to install Kali Linux in two different ways. One is by using installer image and the other is by using the virtual machines. If you're using installer image, you install it from scratch, or if you're using the virtual machine, you just download, click and play basically. For the first step, we'll be using the virtual machine. So you click on virtual machine and you click on VirtualBox. Your download should start. Now you go to your download folder. You can see the VirtualBox and the Kali Linux we just downloaded. So first of all, we install the VirtualBox. Click on next. You accept the agreement, click on next. Click on next. Click on yes, yes, next. Click on install. Now your VirtualBox has been installed successfully. Click on export mode. Now you go back to your download folder and extract the Kali Linux file we downloaded. You right click, extract file. After extracting, open up the folder. Open the folder inside. You see we have two files inside. We have the VirtualBox machine definition and the VirtualBox image. So we double click on the VirtualBox machine. It should pop up. Let it load for some time. Then we click on settings. Click on export. Then you go to system. Here you set the amount of RAM you want the VirtualBox to use. You go to processor, the same thing, set the amount of cores you want the VirtualBox to use. Click start. The installation process will take a couple of minutes to be done. The default login is Kali and the password is Kali. So you type in Kali and the password Kali and click login. As you can see, Kali Linux is now running on our VirtualBox. So this is method 1. Now I will show you how to install it using the installer image. We close the virtual machine, click OK. You go back to your browser, internet browser, go to homepage of kali.org, and you select the installer image file to download. If you scroll down, you click installer, the download should start. After downloading, you go to your file manager, your downloaded folder. As you can see, the disk image file is there. So open up your VirtualBox and you click on new. You name it whatever you want to name it. I'll name mine Kali Linux 2024.4, and the type, leave it Linux. In the subtype, Debian, select Debian. Then in the folder, that is where you want to install your Kali Linux, so you select wherever you want to install it. I'll install mine in my second hard drive, and I'll create a folder for it named Kali. Select folder. Now you go to hardware. Here you set the amount of RAM we want the Kali to use, and the processor. I have 8 cores, so I'll give it 3 cores. Remember, do not give it more than 40%. If not, your whole system will start lagging. Go to hard disk. This is the storage size you want the Kali Linux to use, so you can increase it to any amount you want. I'll do mine to 70, and you click finish. Now if you go to settings, if you go to system, you see what we selected, our RAM. If you go to processor, you still see the amount of cores we gave it. But now you have to go to storage, click storage. Under control IDE, you see that empty disk, click on it. On the right, you see that empty disk on the right hand side, you click on the empty disk, choose a disk file. Now you go to your downloaded folder and click on the disk image file we downloaded. Click on open. Go to display, increase your video memory display to 128 and click on OK. And click on start. Okay, just click enter to install graphics. You select your language, English, click continue. Select your location, click continue. Configure your keyboard, click continue. Now the host name, leave it as VBox and click continue. Your domain name, you put whatever you want. I put home. Enter your full name, enter your username, put a password that you can remember and click continue. Select your time frame, click continue. You select use entire disk, click continue. This is 75 gig we gave it, click continue. All files one partition, continue. Finish, continue. You click yes and click continue. You leave this like this, click continue. Install the GRUB bootloader, click yes and click continue. Select /dev SDA VBox hard disk, select the second one and click continue. As you can see, I finished installing Kali Linux. So just let it load up. Now you input your username, the one you chose. Mine was everything, and you put in your password and you click login. As you can see, we are done installing Kali Linux and our VirtualBox both ways. If you found this video useful, make sure you like, share, and you subscribe. Also, if you have questions, you can leave it in the comment sections. Thanks for watching.